Continue. Reasons for the mitzvah. The commentary is over 3 reasons for the mitzvah of Hadlakas Neiros. So Hadlakas Neiros is lighting of the candles, of the lights, not candles, lights. First, it is considered kavod Shabbos, in honor of Shabbos. So like when you invite somebody, so it's like it's proper to have a lot of light, right? Honor of Shabbos, to have candles in the home. It adds to the ambience and aura of Shabbos, right? So especially maybe as we're going to say, maybe today is not as obvious, but in olden days, when before the electricity, so this extra, even though people would have candles, they would need to go around the house, but these 2 candles, or how many candles the people would lit, would make the big difference. Okay, so kavod Shabbos is one. Second is to increase oneg Shabbos, enjoyment of Shabbos. Right, so there is enjoyment of Shabbos. The more lights, the more you enjoy. It is very difficult to enjoy a festive meal when it's insufficient light. So even though in some restaurant they make dim light, I don't know, maybe they don't want people to see what they eat, and I'm not sure, right? But if you don't have enough light, so you don't enjoy food as much. So that's what our sages teach us in Gemara. So the blind person cannot enjoy the food. It's very interesting. Cannot. Like you would say, what is the difference? It's the food, like piece of chicken, tastes exactly the same. How you see it or you don't see it, but it's not true. Okay. The third is to enhance shalom bayis, peace in the house. Although colloquially these terms refers to the peace between husband and wife, here it simply means harmony between all members of the family. When it is dark, people might trip and bump into objects, which might cause conflict. Light in a house prevents that from occurring. So that's the third reason, shalom bayis. And shalom bayis, so many people, as author think it's peace between husband and wife. It's not true. It's bayis is a house, right? It's like between everybody. If you have I don't know, your children, so children also maybe they don't look exactly where you put, they put the plates or a fork or a knife, and sometimes they fell even with the light, but without the light, for sure it's going to aggravate the whole family. All right, so the lights also help with a shalom bayis.